Stampin' with Amore. I am an independent Stampin' Up! And Demonstrator, and I have another card for the beginner. And after all these holidays are over and all the gift giving, we're all going to need some thank you cards. So for those who are a beginner, this is going to be the perfect card for you. Or if you are someone who has to make a bunch, this is also a good one for you. So here is the thank you, and you can do this whatever color you want. I picked lovely lipstick, but you can use whatever colors you want. So all you're going to need for this is you are going to need our Whisper White note cards and envelopes. So you get 20 in here, and you get the cards, bases, and then you also get the envelopes. So no need to buy any more cardstock. All you have to do is buy the note cards and the envelope packed together. And then all you need is one stamp set, the Love What You Do stamp set. So we're using this flower, we're using the larger little watercolor image, and then this smaller one, and then we're going to also use the thank you. So for this card, we're going to start stamping. Now I always open it up to stamp. It's just the easiest way, and it will stamp better for you. So you're going to need some Memento black ink, and we are going to ink up the little flower image. Now when you are stamping, you're a beginner, you want to stamp, take the ink pad to the stamp when you are stamping larger images. This way you can see that it's totally covered up. Okay, so I'm going to set that one aside, and I am off-centering it. If you want to center it, you can go right ahead, but I just like it slightly off-centered. It just brings a bit more interest to it. So there's our flower there. Next, we're going to go ahead and use the Memento Black, and we're going to stamp the thank you right at the bottom. Make sure you line that up straight. So that is it for that, and we are done with the Memento. Now I'm going to open up my lovely lipstick. I should have brought another color over here so you can see that you can do it in any color. So we're going to do the larger watercolored image first. I have a little piece of scrap here. I'm going to stamp off. So this is a technique. If you want a lighter color, you just stamp off once, and then you're going to stamp right over that flower. Again, we're going to stamp off, ink it, then stamp off, and then we're going to do the next flower. And then one more time, ink it up, stamp it off, and you have all three. Now you can leave it like that if you want. I just thought I'd bring a little bit more interest to it and just stamp these smaller watercolor images. So again, we're going to ink it, stamp off, and you want to do it in odd number. It just looks better. Stamp off again, and we'll stamp one here, and then we'll do one more. Just like that. And you are done. You have a thank you card ready to go and ready to give. And you can also stamp on your envelope if you want. You can stamp some of these little flowers off on your envelope, or you can stamp these leaves. In fact, let me grab an envelope and I'll show you that really quickly. So usually I like to stamp the front corner. We'll take the leaf and do the leaf. I think the leaf would be really pretty. You can absolutely use the same color that you did your card in, so it coordinates. So I'm going to ink that up and just put a little one there, and then I think I'll do another one right next to it. Just like that. It just dresses up your envelope, and it's really pretty effect. So there you have it. You have a ready-made card and envelope ready to go for all your Christmas thank yous. All right, everyone, I hope you have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at Stamping with Amore and shop from my blog. And here is the December hostess code if you would like to place an order with me. Thanks, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.